Hello, my name is Mohammed, and today I'm going to discuss about the topic. It's called surface area. And what is the surface area? It can be measure of the total of area that occupies the surface of a solid object. So I'm going to discuss about today cube and cuboid. Okay, first I'm going for cube. So as we know that, okay, we already discussed about the square. Okay, this is the shape of a square. The all sides are equal. Okay, so if I'm making a cube, it looks like that. So it means there are 6 faces for cube. Okay, like you know that non-verbal reasoning. Okay, so if I unfold this cube, so it will look like this. Okay, so how many faces there are? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how we work out about the total surface area of cube? So as we know, the area for a square, okay, what? Area of a square equal to L square, because all sides are equal. If I say this is 4 and this is 4, so what you do, okay, you simply 4 times 4, which is 16 centimeter square for the area for a square, not the cube. This is cube. It has how many faces? 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many faces are there? There are 6 faces. Okay, I'm going to further discuss. If you look at this cube, so there are the shaded one, which is the front, and the back one is also I'm going to shade with the red color. So there are 2 sides. Okay, so it means the front and the back. This is, yeah, so 2 sides. Okay, so this is front and this is the back. And if I say that the right hand side and the left hand side, okay, so look at this one. Okay, what this is, if I shade this one right hand side and this one you can shade, so right hand side and left hand side. Okay, so front, back, okay, right, left. So which one is the remaining? Just only for the bottom. If you look at this one, this is bottom and this is the front. Okay, so this is called cube. So top and bottom. So how we work about total surface area for cube? Very simple. Okay, so how many faces for this cube? Okay, so there are 6 faces. So what you do, the total surface area, the total surface area for a square, how many faces? 6. So 6 times L square. So this is the formula for cube. Okay, so if I say that what the L is 4, so L is equal to 4, so the total surface area for cube is 6. L square means 4 square. Okay, so 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 4 is, which is 96 centimeter square. So surface area for cube is 96 centimeter square. Now I'm going to take another example, which is if I say that there is a cube and the total surface area is already given. Total surface area for cube is 150. What? 150. And find the area of one side. Okay, find the area of one side of cube. How you work out? The same, you need to put the values in this formula. So total surface area is already given, okay, and the area for the each side, which we don't know. If I say as the unknown, as my algebraic expressions video, if we don't know anything, so we can write down as a x. Okay, so this is x, this is x. Very simple. So what you do, the total surface area, which is 150, which is equal to, okay, formula is 6L square, 6 there, and L square, okay, the length, which we don't know, okay, so I can put x square or x square. So what we do, simply 150 divided by 6 equal to x square, and 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 25, which is 150. So it means x square equal to 25. So area for what? The area for one side of cube is 25. And if I want to work out the value of x, okay, just for the length of one side, okay, length of the one side, okay, so I can, the 25 is the square of what? 5. So the value of x is coming 5. So if you go for reverse calculation, you can put the values, which I say that what? TSA equal to what? 6L square. If I put the L is 5, 5 square, 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 6, which is 150. So you can verify as well. So this is the example for cube. The property for the cube, it has 6 faces, okay, 4 square, the all dimensions are same or equal. And now I'm going to move quickly for cuboid, yeah? And cuboid is 6 rectangular faces, okay? It means the same. There are 6 faces, but the shape is different. Not the shape like a square. It has a different dimension. So if I say that this is cuboid, the cuboid is like this is a square, which we already know that, and if I say look at this one, okay? So now you can see it has a square shape. But how many faces are there? Okay, same shape. Okay, it's same faces like the cube. Okay, there are 6. Okay, if I say that like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, same as 6. And the length, if I say that this is the length for this square is 8. So length equal to 8. Width is, if I say this is the width for this cuboid, and the height is equal to 4. So length, width, and height as compared cube, okay, they have the all dimension are same, so there is no problem. You take in the same value, okay. But here are, you know that rectangular has a shape, okay, which has 2 different sides, okay. So that's why is the length is coming 8 here, and the width is coming 6, and the height is coming 4. How to work out the area for cuboid? Okay, the same as there are 6 faces. So front, back, top, bottom, left and right. And the formula is there, what? Total surface area for cuboid is what we do, okay? Length times width. Length times width. Okay? How many are there? There are 2. How? Okay? Look at this one. This is, I'm working on front. This is the front one. And this same as okay, so front and back, so length time width 2, and width time height, okay, width time height width times height. How many sides? This one on the right hand side and this one on the left hand side. So look at this one. This side, if you look at this, and this one, so 2 sides there as well. So what? Okay, width and height, width and height, and what? Length times height, okay? So length times height. So 2 length times height. So this is the length and this is the height, yeah? So this is basically for the front, okay? And this one for the bottom and top, okay? So length and height. So it means the formula for cuboid is total surface area equal to 2LW plus 2WH plus 2LH. So what we do, okay? Surface area for cuboid, okay? 2 length times width. So length times width. Okay. So 8 times 6 plus 2 width times height. Width times height. So which is 6 times 4. And length times height. So this is length and this is height. Length and height. So it means 8 times 4. So now 8 times 6 is 48 plus 6 times 4 is 24 and 8 times 4 is 32. So 48 double of 48 is 96 and 48 plus 64. So altogether surface area is 96 plus 48 plus 64. So it means this is 18 and 9 plus 10, 10 and which is 208. So surface area is for this cuboid is 208 centimeter square. So very simple, okay? So what you do, you need to enter the value of these length, width and height in this formula and work out, because you know that there are 6 faces and you need to enter and add together to get the total surface area for cuboid. So this is for the cuboid, and the last one we discussed about the cube, and in my next video I'm going to discuss about for prism. So total surface or area for the prism. So if you like this video, please leave your feedback and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.